One day, the mice had a big problem. A scary cat lived nearby. The mice were afraid. They hid in their hole. They didn't dare come out. Soon, the mice had a meeting. What can we do? They talked and talked, but no one had a good idea. Suddenly, a little mouse jumped up. I have an idea. Let's put a bell on the cat. When the cat moves, ding, we will hear it. Great idea, the mice cheered. But then, one mouse asked, Wait, who will do it? The mice looked at each other. No one said a word. They all lowered their heads. A good idea is not enough. Someone has to do it. Like and follow.